Okay, we are going to make glucose with 6 carbons, 6 oxygens, and 12 hydrogens. That is the atomic recipe for glucose. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 5 carbons and 1 oxygen, and we're going to connect them so they form a ring with each other. So go ahead and pause and form a ring with 5 carbons and 1 oxygen. Okay, so now you have your inner circle ring, and everything will be branching off or based off of this inner circle ring. So I want my oxygen to be at the top at 12 o'clock. This will be carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take 4 of my oxygens and I'm going to bond them to carbons 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so I have an oxygen off of carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then off of carbon number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, directly to the left of your oxygen, you're going to bond your remaining carbon atom and your remaining oxygen atom. So it should look like this. Go ahead and pause. Look at your inner circle. Off of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, you should have 1 oxygen, and it doesn't matter the orientation in this case. And off of the 5th carbon, you have your final carbon and your final oxygen. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to take our hydrogen atoms and we are going to use these to fill in any unbonded chemical bonding sites. And we know that that's a chemical bonding site is if it's an open, flat part of the magnet. So I'm going to put an hydrogen here, there. Keep working my way around. Sometimes the bonding site is underneath. Clicking them through. Have your partner stabilize it. You want to be very gentle with these models though. 2. So if I've used all 12 and I have no more flat locations on here, I have used all my atoms. I have successfully made a glucose molecule.